Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start in a staggered wrestling stance with knees bent and hands ready. Keep weight over the balls of your feet and maintain balance. Read your opponent and create an opening by controlling their near wrist or collar. Change level by dropping your hips about 45 degrees while keeping a flat back and eyes on the target. Close the distance 2 to 3 feet with one short, controlled step and a compact lead knee drive. Penetrate with strong intent by driving your lead knee between the opponent's legs. Plant that knee firmly on the mat and position your hips close to their hips for leverage. Wrap both hands behind the opponent's knees or secure at the hips depending on access. Keep your head on the outside of their thigh and maintain a tight chest to control posture. Drive forward with your legs and hips to break balance and force your opponent backward. Finish the double leg by lifting with your hips and driving through the opponent. Step toward a 90-degree angle to the side to create a clear path for rotation. Cut their legs with your shoulder and thigh while maintaining full body contact and forward pressure. Drive past their knees until they fall backward and you secure the top position. Transition immediately into side control or knee on belly to keep control and prepare for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.